All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 all-wheel drive engine with 145,000 miles and only 538 idle hours. Original black on black. From factory, the paint looks great. Vehicle does have some chips and some door dings on the hood and one on the rear left door. That is about it. The rest of the vehicle is in perfect condition. This vehicle came from the City of Monrovia, California. Vehicle doesn't have any rust on her whatsoever. This was a detective or admin vehicle from the City of Monrovia, not a patrol unit. Very well taken care of, folks. The vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and she is ready to go anywhere, folks. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a rear window tint only from the department or from factory. No tint on the front windows. No holes on the body whatsoever. The paint looks great, super sharp, and very, very shiny, folks. Everything does work on this vehicle. Vehicle does have factory backup sensors and factory backup camera. They do work. Everything does work on this vehicle. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that when I first got the vehicle, it came with the original regular aluminum Ford Explorer wheels. I didn't like the way the vehicle looked, so I went ahead and performed a conversion on the wheels and tires. So everything that you see here is good, new, used condition. All four steel wheels were replaced with new tires, lug nuts, and dog dishes. That is correct, folks. That cost me around $1,300 to do the full conversion with the police pursuit, steel wheels, Goodyear Eagles 245 5518 wheels, tires, lug nuts, and dog dishes. And these are the results. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lenses in the front. No spotlights ever installed on this vehicle. Folks, as I mentioned earlier, I do have some things in the front hood. This was some type of chip, so it hit it pretty good, so it dinged it right there. Some chips and peeling right here in front of the hood, folks. Nothing big or major to worry about. Aside from this, that is it, folks. Nothing else on this vehicle. No holes on it whatsoever. Once again, vehicle does have a new set of used set of four steel wheels. New set of takeoffs, Goodyear Eagles RSAs. New set of lug nuts, and new used set of dog dishes to go with this vehicle. All right, folks, this is the interior. The interior is in mint conditions. It does have full carpet, does have matching floor mats. Front of the department, all seat belts and buckles are in place. No tears anywhere on the vehicle. All four door panels are in perfect condition. All four door panels are in perfect condition. Driver's side seat is in near perfect condition. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Vehicle does have a factory OEM center console that came with the vehicle. Once again, this was not a patrol vehicle, so whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job taking care of it. One key, one fob. Honk does work. Let's go inside. The remote control does work, folks, okay? On this vehicle, it does work. I get asked questions like that every now and then. Alright, let's go ahead and continue here. Let's go ahead and clear the warning lights. Pressure lights are off, folks. Vehicle does have 145,000 miles with only 539 idle hours. Oh, it just went up. Okay, what do you know? Stereo does work. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Okay, YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Why am I feeling dizzy? I think my blood pressure went down. Anyway, the vehicle does have the blackout enable option. The blackout option enable on these vehicles. So when you open the doors, the map lights will come on. White LED, red LED. Cruise control does work. Vehicle does have a backup sensor, a backup camera as well. And it does, let me engage it. There you go. It comes on the screen right there, folks. Okay, that's where it comes in. Everything does work. Put her back in park. Super cool air conditioner, factory Bluetooth as well, so you can, you know, talk to the phone and talk on the phone with the car on. I'm sorry guys, I'm not feeling so good right now. I apologize if I'm getting stuck here and there. I started to feel dizzy out of nowhere. Not used to that around here. Oh jeez. Alright folks, this is the cargo compartment. As you guys can see, she is complete. This is a rubber mat that was in here when we got the car, so we're leaving that alone. Full matching spare tire in place, new condition. What you see is what you're gonna get. This is the other door thing I was telling you about. It's right there. Let's go under the hood, folks. I apologize. I'm slowing down here. Not feeling that good. Ooh, my goodness. This is the paint. Original paint. This is not a repaint, folks. My detail guy did an amazing job bringing this car back to life. Ramon, thank you so much for putting your final touches on this one. You did an amazing job, brother. Appreciate it. Course. All right, let's go ahead and one hand here. Apologize here. Okay, here we go. This is the engine. Once again, the vehicle has been fully serviced. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, folks. Starting right to left, vehicle does have a new battery from the department. Vehicle does have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Vehicle does have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service was performed. Full synthetic transmission service was performed, and we did use Motorcraft LV on this one. Cabin filter was also replaced. Dry belt and tensioner are in good condition, so I did not have to replace that. The department appears to have already replaced the motor mounts on the vehicle as well. Last but not least, folks, I got to tell you that I did have the power steering rack replaced on this vehicle. When I first got the vehicle in, the rack was working, but it was making noise when you turn the wheel left and right. Okay, not normal. That's a clear indication that the power steering rack was going out, so I went ahead and replaced it. Cost me $1,300 to do so, folks. I did use original equipment. I'm not doing anything else. It's gonna be OEM Motorcraft. That is it. I don't want any more hiccups, no headaches. So I got to do it right the first time since the beginning. Very quiet, no noises, no leaks, no overheating, no nothing, folks. Vehicle does have a new set of brakes and rotors all around. Before I forget, once again, vehicle does have new brakes and rotors all around. When we were inspecting the vehicle, the brakes were about 4mm all around, so I had to replace everything. Once again, folks, I do have the brakes. I do have the parts in stock. Whatever I think I'm gonna need, I have it in stock. So I just pull from my inventory and I give all my vehicles what they need. And yes, sometimes some of these vehicles, they require more, so I give it to them. All right, folks, this is my last final look. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling that good. I think I'm gonna have to cut this up earlier here, but if I do forget something, guys, it's gonna be noted in my eBay description. I think I need some sugar because I'm feeling dizzy. There you go, folks. I did an amazing job here taking care of you. I hope this vehicle goes to a great home. And once again, I set you up for success on another nice looking, gorgeous vehicle here, folks. Once again, she needs no repairs. I got you covered. Alright, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. If you guys have any questions, comments, or are interested to buy this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Alright, folks, I gotta go. You guys have a safe weekend out there. God bless and take care.